Sometimes I wake up grouchy, but most of the time she's up before me. It's October 28th, 2020. And yes, that is snow. I'm at the White Mountains National Forest, Rocky Gorge area. I'm just going to do a short little hike around the pond over here. It's already noontime. I usually like to hit the trail early in the morning. Today I was planning on hiking this Lovequist loop. It's quite a popular spot. It's right along the Nanamocomuck highway. And there were other people here. I didn't think many people would be here because of the weather. So I've been trying to avoid them. I don't like videoing near other people. I think it's about 1.5 miles. Little rolling hills. This is what gets me. Yeah, that's toilet paper. Sorry ladies, if you're going to pee, carry out your toilet paper or bury it or drip dry. It's disgusting. You come out to the woods to hike. You don't want to see someone's used toilet paper right on the trail or right on the side of the trail. Really grinds my gears. Yes, that's snow. People keep pushing the seasons up. First, it's Christmas shopping before Halloween. Then it's pumpkin spice before September, before October. Pumpkin spice for pumpkins, which are for Halloween, which is October, not September, not August. For crying out loud. You move the seasons up, and now we're paying the price. To be honest, 2020 has been friggin' weird. We had snow in May, and now it's October and we're getting snow. It makes no sense. Okay, there's a trail. It's a little muddy spot. So, staying on the trail like good practice is. Took one step, I went up to my knees in that mud. My word. I think I'll take a walk down the ski trail for a little bit. Probably be by myself down there. Not that there's anything wrong with other people being here. It's their right. Yeah, I'm a little grouchy today. I don't know why. Sometimes I wake up grouchy, but most of the time she's up before me. This winter, I'm definitely going to come up here with the skis, or at least the snowshoes, and check these trails out. Gone a 1/2 mile or so. It looks like this might be a loop, the ski trail. Nanamocomuck ski trail is what I was just on. And this says 1 mile, and I was at a intersection before that said 1 mile. Maybe I should take this. Maybe it's a loop. Let's check it out. Good choice. I think it's looping back. So that'll be a mile loop to add on to the pond loop. Great. Weird. This fire road that this trail is on, the markers all of a sudden go left through the woods. It looks like they mowed the brush. That's the way I'm gonna go. It's quiet out here. So I just came through the brush. It looks like it connects back up to this road, so they must be doing a reroute of the trail or something. Weird. Anyway, I should have worn gaiters. My pant legs are getting all wet. Could have just stayed on the main trail. Come out here. I've gone about 2 miles and just about having to decide whether I should turn around. Like maybe this didn't go where I thought it was going to and loop around. However, just when I'm ready to turn around, I see a sign up ahead. No, the trail did not go where I expected, but it did loop, and I am back on the original skiing trail, and I have 1.5 miles to get back to the Rocky Gorge. So that did work out. Okay, back to where I took the side trail. So that made a loop of about 2.5 miles. Got a 1/2 mile back to where the pond is, and I'll complete the pond. So I took a 1 mile hike and I turned it into about a 4 mile hike on a rainy, crappy day. Not bad. Back on the pond loop. I didn't film at the intersection because there were a bunch of ladies there that wanted to talk to me. Anyway. Nice wide trail here. They had to ask me where I'd been. Is there hunting? Why do I have an orange hat if there's no hunting? One of the ladies had on orange. I told her I wasn't sure, and better safe than sorry. Then they wanted to know if I was ever shot at, and I said not by hunters. So anyway, back to snow here. I think there's just that much, little bit of elevation higher than where I was. Okay, I'm 3/4 of the way around the pond. Okay, I've finished the loop around the pond. Now I'm going back to the parking lot. Another Joel C. adventure complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and or subscribe. Thank you.